Hi, this is Calvin from Hill Country Building and Renovation, HCBR Texas. Today I'm at our RV garage shop project in Spring Branch, Texas. And we're pouring some concrete today. So as you can see, we got our boom truck set up, pumping out the concrete. That's a whole lot better than a wheelbarrow. That's for dang sure. So we got this guy over here in the blue shirt from Hunter Pumps, and he works the controls. And then we have our guy over here who makes sure it gets where it needs to go. So the first thing we're doing is filling up about 2 feet in the beams all the way around so that it has a little bit of time to set up, because back here in the back in this corner, the concrete wall back here is 7.5 feet tall. So it's a long ways down there. So we can't fill up the beam all the way in one shot because it's just too much weight. So in here we have our RV dump, so that when our customer has his RV in here, he can dump it out and it goes out over to the septic system. So anyways, as it usually happens, they're about 2 hours, well, they're about an hour and a half late with the concrete, so everybody's been standing around waiting for them to get here. The first 4 trucks, the concrete is a little bit dry so that it'll set up a little faster around the beams. So as you can see, we've got all the steel in place for the beams. And we got all our finishers up here getting ready to do their job. So as you can see, this concrete comes out pretty fast. And that's a whole lot easier than a wheelbarrow, that's for dang sure. So this pump really gets it pumping. Here's our operator. It's just like playing a video game. Well, sort of. So we've got about 100 yards coming, and then another truck to finish up. So we're just getting started here today, this morning, and I got a couple other jobs that I got to go visit, and then I'm going to come back and kind of observe the finish. We got some power finishers that are going to be on top of the slab, running around to make it nice and smooth and flat. So this is the kind of thing we do. We do these steel buildings, concrete. We do additions, detached garages, casitas, And we do a lot of balcony repairs in the Canyon Lake area. So what's your next great project, and what can we do to help you out on that?